Today, I'm gonna be showing you, as well as my sister, how to drive manual transmission car. All the cars that I drive are manual transmission. The cars we drive on this channel are manual transmission. So if you're looking to get into a manual car, or maybe get like a WRX or an STI, hopefully this video will help you guys out. Let's get into it. So when you're learning manual, you're gonna wanna be in a nice, large, open wide parking lot with nothing to hit. All right, so right now we're gonna practice idling. First, I want you to just idle the car up to 2,000 RPM and try to hold it there.
With the gas?
Just the gas, yeah. Yeah, so just keep the idle at 2,000 RPM and then let your foot off the gas and just bring it right back up to 2,000 RPM. Okay?
Oops.
Next, what we're gonna do is I want you to push the clutch in, put the car in first gear, which is all the way that way and up, and then I want you to feel the clutch play. So I want you to slowly let out the clutch until you feel it grab and the car is gonna move forward, and then you are going to push the clutch back in. All right, see how we're moving a little bit? Now push the clutch in, and I want you to do that 3 more times. And there it goes. It grabs a little too much and you'll stall the car. And that's where the gas is going to come in. But I just want you to get it down so that you know how the clutch feels and how the car reacts to you letting off of the clutch. I'm going to have you hold it at 2,000 RPM. And then you're going to do the clutch thing where you let off the clutch slowly. And I want you to let off the clutch slowly all the way. I don't want you to let it halfway off and then let it go. We're gonna stall like we did last time. So you're just gonna slowly let it off all the way while applying some throttle at 2,000 RPM. And it will be lurchy at first, but as you get better, it will smoothen out. A little bit of gas. Oh. So that will probably happen your first time, but it will get smoother. Trust me. Oh. All right, we are going to do this again. Press the clutch in, go into first. Slowly let the clutch out. You'll feel it grab. There we go. You're in first. Woohoo! And we are driving, guys. Yeah. And then anything else is just like driving a regular car. When you're driving a manual, the only difference is that other stick and the stick in the middle. That's it. And you forget about it once you're driving. There's still a brake, there's still a throttle. So next, we're just gonna continue around here, and then I'll have you go into second gear. Okay. You're gonna let off the gas, and then you are going to press in the clutch and shift to second gear, and then reapply the gas. There you go. Yeah, so that little lurch was just your clutch control. If you let the clutch out a little bit less, it would totally take that lurch away. We're gonna have a little solo run, see if she can do this without me telling her how to do it. Oh. Woohoo! Sounds like she shifted into second. Awesome! Great job! All right, so when doing reverse in a Subaru, it's all the way towards the passenger and down. And basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and we're gonna play with the clutch just like we were in first, but that's all you do in reverse. So push in the clutch into reverse and then play with the clutch and feel when the clutch grabs. And then you can just slowly let the clutch out. And we are going in reverse. And there you have it. That's how easy reverse is. Reverse is a very large gear, so you're not gonna stall your car in reverse usually, unless you've got some weird clutch. But yeah, that's how you do reverse. Awesome. All right, that's how you guys drive manual. I hope this helped you. It sure helped Caitlin. She can go from first to third gear, reverse. She basically can drive a manual car now. There's a little bit more learning that has to be done, But that all comes from practice. You're never going to be perfect right away. Don't expect to be, or it's just going to disappoint you. It took me about a month to learn how to perfectly shift a car and downshift a car. And there's a lot to driving a manual car that's a little different than an automatic car. But once you get it, it's a lot more fun and it's a lot more cool. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.